Hello everyone, welcome back to Technosavvys. Today I am here with you all with another topic, and that is AI. So let's get started. What is AI? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Now let's see what are the applications of artificial intelligence. First, personalized shopping, AI powered assistant, fraud prevention, creating smarter content, voice assistant, and personalized learning. Next, we have importance of artificial intelligence. These machines speed up your task and process with guaranteed accuracy, and precision make them a useful and valuable tool. Apart from making the world an error-free place with their simple and everyday techniques, these technologies and applications are not only related to our ordinary and everyday life. To know more things about AI and learn new things about AI, join Technosavvys today. Thank you.